Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the New Indian Express newspaper Sudoku puzzle on October 7, 2023. Evil Sudoku. Column B, column D, 7th row. We get pair numbers 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. 5th row, column D, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 8. Column B, you have 8. So it can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column B, column C, we have 3. 9th row also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 4, 6. Column I, column J, we have 2. 8th row also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 9th row, we get 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column D, only one number is remaining 6. 6 is confirmed here. 9th row, 10th row, we have 4. Column B also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column B, 8th row, 9th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. The 2 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining 5, 6, 9. Second row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. It will confirm later. First grade, 4 numbers are remaining 1, 8, 5, 9. Third row, we have 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. 10th row, 9th row, column E, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 5th row, 6th row, column G, we have pair numbers 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column F, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Second grade, column H, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column H, column F, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column J, 7th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 8 will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 5th grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Third row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Third row, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 4, 6. Column H and third grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then third row, only one number is remaining 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then first grade, only one number is remaining 4. 4 is confirmed here. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining 6, 7, 1. Column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. The 9th row, only one number is remaining 5. 5 is confirmed here. Third grade, column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Then second grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8, it will come in one of these cells, we confirm later. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 7, 2. Fifth row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, then 2 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7, it will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Column I, column J, we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Second row, we have 8, so it can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. And then 5 is here. Third grid and fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column I, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column H, column I, we have 9, so 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Ninth grid, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then we can confirm 8 also here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7, it will come in one of these cells, confirm later. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 5. Fifth row, we have 4 and 5, so 4 and 5 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells. Sixth row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column G, only 1 number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. Fifth row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Fifth row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Eighth row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. The ninth grid, only 1 number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. Then 10th row, only 1 number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Column of 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Sixth row, we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Sixth grid, column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Sixth row, we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.